Hello students, let's read letter T as a beginning sound. Listen carefully and repeat. T as a beginning sound. Tap, tray, tree, train, tiger, read, tea, two, tent, tape, today, town, tractor, triangle. Happy learning!